Friday morning, y'all. It is Friday, November 7th, 2025. I still feel horrible. Very sick. I go to the doctor's today. I had changed it to 8:30 in the morning because I want to get in there super quick, and then they said no, 12:30, so I have to wait now till 12:30, but whatever. It's a very dark, dreary day today. We're supposed to get some weather starting Sunday. Tonight we're supposed to get something, and then tomorrow, I don't even know. We'll see what happens. I ain't gonna be doing much this weekend. I'm just really sick right now. But we'll see what happens. I don't know what the outcome of this whole thing is gonna be. I'm nervous, but we'll see what happens. And yeah, we'll go from there, I guess. I'm assuming that things are gonna be fine, but there's always that chance that it could be something bad because I've been so sick with it for so long. But who knows? I'm just really tired today. I kind of just want to sleep. I didn't sleep at all last night. I didn't sleep at all today. I'm just really tired. But we'll figure it out. I'm hoping. I'm just tired. I'm making chili tomorrow, or maybe even tonight. I don't know, probably tomorrow. Speaking of that, I gotta take out the hamburger. That would suck if I forgot to take that out. I don't know what we're gonna have tonight for supper. Hopefully, I might just do this. I had to get another family pack of hamburger. I like getting that because it lasts me a while. I have 1 more pound left. But yeah, I'm nervous of this doctor's appointment. I'm sure it'll be fine, but there's always that thought in the back of my mind that it's not. So, with that being said, I'm gonna log off and I'll chat with you when I get to the office. Okay, so I just got out of the shower now. It's raining. I was hoping the weather wasn't going to get bad because now I have to drive in it, but it doesn't look too bad right now. So I'm just going to head out early, I guess. I don't wanna. I'm nervous, but so that's just a quick little check-in. I'm going to wrap it up here and head on out. Good afternoon, y'all. It is going on 4 o'clock. I got home about after 2-ish. So I have to wait till Wednesday now to go get my stomach issue taken care of. But I may go in sooner to the walk-in if it continues. She said it could be a blockage. It could be... she said it didn't feel like a blockage, but... Because if you were still going a little bit, she's like, it's not a blockage. I'm on vitamins now. I'm on magnesium, vitamin B or D for winter blues, and a new antidepressant. Well, it's more of a. I still take my antidepressant, Lexapro. Now I'm on this new one for my anxiety. Who the hell knows? I don't even know. So we're going to try it and go from there. So I always see her in December. That's 6 weeks from now. That's crazy. So now I don't have to miss days of work this week unless I'm not feeling good, but I plan not to because I don't really feel like it. I'll just be leaving a little earlier. So now it's the 12th I'll be going. And they're going to send me a reminder. Anyways, I do love my new doctor. She is very caring. She's very understanding. And she really wants to listen to me. So just look at it out there. It is just a snowing. But I figured I'd get the vlog rolling somewhat here. I'm just not feeling good. I think I'm going to DoorDash a nice greasy burger and see if that helps me go bathroom like I'm supposed to. But she still wants to see me. We're probably going to do some scans and everything that we're supposed to do. Today's appointment was the meet and greet and for my mental health. More or less, but that's okay. She's a good doctor, though. I do like her, so yeah. I got a new radio from Walmart. It's a nice little radio. I mean, it does the job. So it works, it does the job. We're going to FaceTime tonight, but I got to burn some rubbish in the fire pit. So I should probably do that soon here. Because by the sounds of it, it's going to be we're supposed to get almost 6 to 8 inches of snow Sunday night into Monday. So we may even have our first snow day this year. I don't know. But yeah, so this is the last time we're going to see green and it's going to be snow. Crazy. It's probably going to be wet and heavy too, so that's be wonderful. So I'm going to have to get the shovels out. Hey, we made it till November without any snow on the ground, so I'm very happy about that. But it's probably not going to last long, I don't think, because we're supposed to be up in the 40s then the following week, so who knows. We'll figure it out. So that's today's update. So I'll kind of catch up with you all later. Good Sunday morning, y'all. So it is snowing. We got about 3 inches of snow. I just went out and shoveled a little bit, and now it's really coming down. We're under a storm warning until tomorrow night. So I'm thinking we're gonna have a snow day, which I don't really feel like going to work tomorrow in a horrible storm, as they're saying. So I'm hoping we do. And I get another day of rest. I tell you. winter is definitely here. I mean, it's here. Just look at it. It's really coming down. But I figured I'd check in with the vlog, and I will check in with y'all later. Hi everyone, welcome to the vlog. So I'm ending it here as I'm getting ready for the night. It's been a busy day with snow cleanup, and we're supposed to get more horrible weather tonight. So God knows what I'm gonna wake up to tomorrow. But I'm gonna head in the shower, get ready for bed, and I will see you all tomorrow. So have a good night, y'all. See ya this week.